I'm Eric McCurdy. I'm the manager of Global Customer Care here at Ask.com.
Before removing the Ask.com toolbar, you should first make sure you have the Ask.com toolbar. It looks like this at the top of your browser window, whether you're using Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Google Chrome. Once you're sure that it is the Ask toolbar, to remove it, first close all open browser windows. Then open up the Programs and Features control panel in Windows 7 or Windows 8, or add Remove Programs if you're using an earlier version of Windows. Locate Ask Toolbar in the list of programs, click once on it, and then uninstall. The computer will verify that you really do want to do this, click Yes, and then allow the removal program to make changes on your computer. And will confirm that the toolbar is removed with this dialog box. When you go back into Internet Explorer or any other web browser, you'll notice the toolbar is now gone. On occasion, people do report having issues removing the toolbar itself. If that happens, visit our Help Center at help.ask.com, which you can also reach by clicking Help at the bottom of any page on our website. From there, at the top, click the Ask Toolbar tab. Then choose How do I remove the Ask.com toolbar from this landing page. In this article, we have the link to our removal utility, which you can download, and it automates the removal process to 2 mouse clicks and works around almost any scenario. If you need any additional help, click the Talk to Eric link to talk to me about your problem, and I'll be glad to help you. Now, although the toolbar is removed, you may still see Ask set as your default homepage or default search engine in your web browser. In Internet Explorer, these are both very easy to change. Go to the Gear menu in Internet Explorer, come down to Internet Options. On the first screen of Internet Options is where you designate your default homepage. Simply delete what's there, enter in whatever else you'd like it to be, or you can also choose to use a blank page, click Apply, and then OK. Your homepage is now your new default. To change your default search engine, go back to the Gear menu, choose Manage Add-ons, and then Search Providers. Choose a different search provider from the list of available search engines and set as default, and then close. In Firefox, the process is very similar. First, to change the default homepage, under the Firefox menu, choose Options and then Options again. Again, on the first tab of Options is where the default homepage is specified. Delete this and choose to either use a bookmarked page you have or enter something else. Click OK. Your homepage is now changed. To change your default search engine in Firefox, come up to the drop-down menu in the search box located in the upper right corner of the Firefox window. Choose any of these other search providers, and that will now become your default search in Firefox. Finally, Google Chrome. To change the default homepage, come to the Chrome menu in the upper right corner of the screen and choose Chrome Settings. First, check the On Startup section. Make sure that the On Startup section is set to Not Display Ask, and click OK. You can then choose to either open a default new tab page or continue where you leave off in a previous session, or specify a different page altogether to open up with. Then, check the Home button location and make sure that it's set to where you want it as well. You can change it here and typing in something else entirely, or you can tell Chrome to use the new tab page. Finally, to change your default search provider from Ask, choose anything else from this drop-down here, or get more search engines with the Manage Search Engines button. Once you're done, close the tab.